Germany. Huh?
Hazur, what was Allah's purpose and wisdom in the fatherless conception of Hazrat Jesus alayhi salam?
What was that?
The purpose and the wisdom behind it. That
there are many possible purposes which may be held simultaneously correct. For instance, Hazrat Muslim has pointed out that he indicated the end of the rule of Bani Israel, who were the progeny of Hazrat Ishaq. And this end indicated that the matter of religion will be shifted to Moses' brothers, in the sense that to those who would be the progeny of Ishmael, because about both Allah had promised Abraham that Allah will bless their offsprings. So up till the time of Muhammad, this blessing was sort of monopolized by the children of Isaac. And Ismail does not seem to have played any role. Now this, Hazrat Masih said, was a warning to them. Your days are over. Like Jesus cannot give birth to a child, which he did not. He is the son of a mother who is also fatherless, who is also without husband. So on both ends, the destiny of Jesus is sealed, in the sense that he will not continue in future as a valid coin, and religion will be transferred from Israel to Islam, to Rasulullah and Islam. This is one of the possible reasons which Hazrat Masih has mentioned. Another reason which I believe can be held as, I don't say equally, but can be held as very sensible, is that the mother of Jesus was a chaste woman whom a man had not touched. While we now know that scientifically it is possible that a woman could give birth to a female or male child while she was not unchaste. So Allah has made Mary as a savior for all such women. So if any woman brings a child and says, no man has touched me, according to Islamic law, this woman will not be punished, unless there are 4 witnesses against that woman, or the woman herself confesses. So it's a beautiful thing that Hazrat Mary stands in the way of such innocent women, however few they may be, and the punishment against them or the talk of the town against them. So now certainly we can never say, if a woman gives birth to a child, that she has been unchaste. Only Allah knows. In case of Maryam, he stood witness, she was chaste. Right?